What if you could grow new teeth, just like a shark? We're not talking dentures, not implants, but real, living teeth, regrown in your own mouth. This isn't science fiction. The world's first tooth-regrowing drug is headed to human trials. Meet 52-year-old Hiroshi. He lost 3 teeth in a motorcycle crash when he was 19. For decades, dentists told him the same thing: dentures or implants. Nothing else was possible. But in 2024 he got a call that changed his life. A Kyoto-based biotech startup was preparing human trials for a breakthrough drug. One that could regrow teeth from scratch. Naturally, like in children, or sharks, or crocodiles. For years, scientists knew mammals technically had the biological machinery to regrow teeth, but something kept it switched off. In 2018, researchers at Kyoto University found the culprit, a single gene called USAGE1. USAGE1 is like a molecular bouncer. It blocks signals that would normally trigger tooth development. But when mice lacking the USAGE1 gene were studied, they grew extra teeth. So the team developed a monoclonal antibody, a drug that silences USAGE1 temporarily, just long enough for new teeth to grow where they're missing. In preclinical trials, the drug worked in mice, ferrets, and dogs. And now, in 2025, it's coming to humans. We believe this therapy could be life-changing for patients born with missing teeth, or those who've lost them to trauma or disease. The first trial will include 30 adults missing at least one back tooth, none of them candidates for implants. The goal: stimulate a fully formed third tooth generation. So, could you one day regrow your own teeth, missing a tooth from birth, suffered trauma to permanent teeth, genetic condition affecting dentition? Early treatments will target rare conditions like congenital tooth agenesis, but by 2030, we could see wider approvals for injuries, cavities, even age-related loss. And if you're wondering about side effects, animal studies showed no signs of uncontrolled growth, tumors, or pain, just teeth, where teeth should be. This could mean fewer implants, less drilling, and a completely new dental future. But here's the big question. Would you take a drug to regrow a tooth? Tell us in the comments, and hit subscribe if you're fascinated by the future of medicine. From extinct teeth to living roots, this is just the beginning. Welcome to Mind and Marvel, where science, survival, and the superhuman collide.